There are many trading strategies can be found in YouTube, and Google claim that above 95% high accuracy. I'm going to build them all into EA and backtest the EA and see which strategy is the best. For example, this strategy claimed to be 99.3% high accuracy. You may watch the entire strategy video from this YouTube link. I'm curious how much profit per year can grow from this strategy, so I built an EA based on this strategy and backtest this EA on 3 random years to see how much profit it made. Let me quickly explain this strategy first. We are using 34-period exponential moving average, and 25-period CCI and 50-period CCI. When a bearish candle opening price is above moving average line, and closing price is below moving average line, and both CCI cross below level 0. Then we opening a sell trade. When a bullish candle opening price is below the moving average line, and closing price is above moving average line, and both CCI cross above level 0. Then we open a buy trade. Now let's see how the IEA open trade based on this strategy. When a bullish candle opening price is below the moving average line, and closing price is above moving average line, and both CCI cross above level 0. Then we open a buy trade. My EA don't set SL, it is because want to avoid many SL hunters out there. My EA close all trades when equity is more than 8% profit. See, both trades closed at here because equity is already gained 8% profit. Capital was $10,000, and 8% profit is around $800. EA closed trades when gain 8% profit. As you can see, we sell at here, when the bearish trend isn't. And we buy at here, when bullish trend isn't. It is too risky. The original strategy never avoid to trade trend end. So I improved the strategy to avoid to trade on trend end. How to avoid? Simple. I just split the screen into 3 parts. Then I set EA not allow to open buy trade at 1/3 of the screen. Not allow EA to open sell trade at 3/3 of screen. Since trade on moving average line is more profitable and more safe on trending market, and too risky for sidewave or ranging market, so I have make this EA to avoid trade on sidewave or ranging market. How to avoid? Simple. I set the EA to take high and low of first bar to 50th bar, to compare with high and low of 60th bar to 120th bar. If the high of first to 50th bar is higher, and if the low of first to 50th bar is higher, then it is bullish trend, so allow to buy. At this example, the high of first to 50th bar is higher, but the low of first to 50th bar is not higher. So it is not bullish trend, and it is not bearish trend too. So it is sidewave or ranging market, so EA won't open trade. Now let's talk about EA settings. SL and TP set to 0. Because EA will close trade automatically when gain 8% profit. If your account balance is $1,000, then you set lots to 0.1. If your account balance is $10,000, then you set lots to 1.0. You may set martingale's lot to 0 to turn off martingale. You may set target profit to any percentage. The default is 8% profit target. If you reduce lot size, it takes many days to close the trade and profit target. If you increase lot size, it is too quickly to close the trade and profit target. As I said before, the original strategy didn't avoid sidewave market. So I added sidewave filter to my own customized setting. It will open very less trade per week if sidewave filter is enabled. So if you want more trades, then you have to turn off sidewave filter. The more trades, the more profit, but the more risk too. Backtest it, then you will know how much profit and risk it gain if turn off the sidewave filter. Below are 3 random years I backtest with capital $10,000 at $1 lot size. Above tests was done on leverage 1 to 1000 account. So if you are using 1 to 200 leverage account, then you might need to use 5 times smaller lot size. Many trending EA burned the account when backtest on year 2004 to 2005 ranging market. Many reversal EA burned the account when backtest on year 2008 to 2009 trending market. So I have backtest this 2 years to make sure my EA won't burn account in the both difference markets. I have backtest my EA on this 3 difference markets. Below are the results. You may download my EA file to backtest it yourself on other pairs, other years, other time frame, other settings. I'm going to show you how to download the file and backtest. Go to website toto180.com to download EA file name, 2CCI plus MOVA EA. Go to website toto180.com to download the EA file. I download example EA file just for example. You will need to download the correct EA file name. Then go to the zip file and extract it. There are 4 files in the folder. Chart design file is to put all required indicators to your chart. EA settings file is to set the EA setting. Example EA file is the EA. You may open and read the README file which contains some useful information about this EA. Now we need to move the EA file to your MT4 export folder. Open your MT4. Then click File. Then click Open Data folder. Then open MQL4 folder. Then open Experts folder. Then copy-paste the EA file into this folder. Then right-click Navigator window and select Refresh. Then select the new EA name from Strategy Tester. Then click Export Properties. Then click Load. Then select the EA settings file. Then click OK. Then click Start. Then right-click on the chart. Then select Template. Then select Load Template. Then copy-paste the chart design file into this folder. Then select Chart Design File. Then click Open. Now you may check the chart if the EA open and close trade is based on strategy and indicator correctly or not. Many people didn't backtest the EA before buying the EA. So they pay money to buy the EA that always lost money and burned their account. If you backtest the EA and the test results show it lost all money and burn account in 1 hour test, then you won't pay money to buy the EA. I'm here to show you how to test the EA for 1 hour to see if it lost all money and burn account or not. To backtest your EA, you need to open your MT4 software on your computer. Then log into your account by account ID, password, server. After log into your account, then only you are able to download history data for Backtest. Now click Tools. Then select History Center. Then select the currency pair history data that you want to download. Then select the time frame history data that you want to download. Then click Download. If you can't download the history data, then you may watch my other video to learn how to solve this problem. Here is the video link. Then you wait for 15 minutes to complete downloading all the history data. After downloading complete, then you may check what is the oldest year history data. Note that year 2008 burn most of EA accounts. So I suggest you backtest your EA on year 2008. If your EA doesn't burn account on year 2008 test, then it is safe for you to put real money on this EA. Mini broker only provide 2 years history data for year 2021 and 2020 only. I suggest you use Girl-Forex broker because Girl-Forex broker provide many years of history data. As you can see, Girl-Forex broker provide 20 years old history, year 2000 data. I will free gift away some of my premium EA to you if you register an account through my affiliate link. Now close the History Center window. Then click View. Then select Strategy Tester. Then check Use Date. Then check Visual Mode. Then key in the date that you want to backtest. You should test reversal EA on year 2008 August to December on your used. It will burn account because that 3 months is strong trending. You should test trending EA on year 2004 to 2006 on your used. It will burn account because that 3 years is ranging. Now select your EA name from the list. Then select time frame that you want to test. Then click Export Property. And set how much capital dollar you want to test. Then click Input menu. Then set your EA setting like lot size, stop loss, take profit and etc. Then click Start. I prefer hide the grid. And I prefer zoom in. And I prefer candlesticks. Click the graph menu. Now you see your capital was $10,000, but now the balance keep decreasing, meaning the CA keep losing money. So you better don't waste your money to buy the CA. Now let's zoom in to check detail of the chart to see how the EA open trades and closing trade in loss or profit. Now you click Pause. Then click Result. Here you can see how much loss and profit per trades. Then you click Report. Here you can see your capital. And how much is the loss and profit, and the drawdown percentage. Now let's back to discuss EACCI plus 2x EMA EA. This EA sometime 3 days only open one trade. Very less trade, you may increase the trades by 3 options. 1. Turn off side wave filter on EA setting. 2. Change H1 time frame to M5 or M15. 3. Trade all 25 pairs instead of 1 pair used. Above 3 options may increase the risk. So I suggest you backtest those change of settings. Time frame. And pairs. Make sure it won't burn account before putting the real money. There are 2 different versions of EA files. 1. Test version. Only allow open trade on strategy tester. 2. Live version. Allow open trade on demo and live account. I'm giving free the test version EA file to you to let you backtest the EA until you are satisfied with the result. Then only you start requesting live version EA file from me. 2 different ways to get the live version EA file from me, you choose either one. 1. If you willing to trade using this EA by using my Robo-Forex broker to let me earn affiliate commission. Then I will free gift away forever license live version of EA to you. You may follow the instruction steps on this video link. 2. You pay money to buy live version EA from me at price. 1 month license at $5. 2 months license at $9. 3 months license at $12. 6 months license at $19. 1 year license at $25. If you have problem with set up the CA, then you may email me or message me at Telegram. I am pleasure to help you out. You may ask me any question, but I will answer you only if you have subscribed my YouTube channel and like my video. I will upload next new video about a powerful EA generating 100% profit every week. Stay tuned. You are welcome to join my Telegram group from the link below. See you there. Have a nice day.